I have found a new method of making money online just by watching videos. Some of us, or most of us, are looking for the easy way to make money online. How you can easily make money online doing literally something that requires no skills. You understand? The money might not be much, but at least it's a side also, not a main also. So it's a side also. So you can always make some bucks and foot one or two bills from it. So please, if you're not a member of our Telegram group, please join the Telegram group. There are a lot of juicy things on there. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you. We love you. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it and you'll be the first to work with it or implement it. You understand? So without much further ado, this particular website has about 4.5 rating on Trustpilot. So let's just dive straight into my Chrome browser. So I'll just show you guys one or two things or about what this website does and it works. So the name of this website is called Zoombox. Zoombox Trustpilot review. We have to make inquiries about what Trustpilot thinks about this website before we even go deep into it. So as you can see on Trustpilot, it has an excellent review. They have 4.6 rating. It is actually good, and these are what people have to say about it. I've earned enough points and managed to claim my $2 twice. I've earned enough point and I tried my first cash out. So the customer service is really fast when it comes to solving problems relating to your account. So as you can see, these are a lot of positive reviews. Do you understand? I received my first payment through PayPal. Thank you. Okay, so these are a lot of positive review. Zoombox actually pays you with points. So your points will be converted to dollars and it will be paid to PayPal. Now, if you don't have a PayPal, just because a lot of people from all over the world, the people on this space are worldwide. So if you're in a country like mine that doesn't accept PayPal, there's a way we go around it. You can reach out to me. We can help you open a working PayPal account in Nigeria, and then you use it and receive your money from Zoombox or from any other platform you want. Well, it is not free. It is not free, so we can come to a negotiation. So guys, that's all about opening a PayPal account. But without much further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the name of the website is Zoombox. Zoombox. Zoombox is spelled as Zoombox is spelled as Zoombuck. Zoombox. You can add a S. Zoombox.com. This is how the platform looks like. Well, you earn cash by completing surveys, watching TVs, doing offer. Now, our major point is watching TV. You understand? Watching TV. Now, here is a trick to this thing. Okay, when we get there, I want to share an important secret on how you can get a lot of videos, like more videos on this particular website. So you can just click on this join for free, fill in your details, and if not, I'll also drop a link on the Telegram. Because of YouTube rules and regulation, blah blah blah, we can't drop links on YouTube anyhow. So if you're on Telegram group, you'll be seeing the link. So you fill in your email address, you fill in your password, you fill in the password again, and you hit sign up now. So once you hit sign up now, I have an account with them. I've already registered, so that's why you're seeing this. Once you hit sign up now, as you can see, these are different ways you can cash out. There are people in Nigeria that can help you exchange your iTunes gift card, your Google Play gift card, your Amazon gift card, Netflix. There are a lot of them out there if you want, but my best method is just using a PayPal account. You can exchange your money for any of these gift cards, which in Nigeria, there are people that sell it on Instagram and here and there. So once you're done, as you can see, these are live feeds of surveys that people are taking. These are people earnings from this particular website. As you can see, the flag colors represent their countries. So this particular means of making money is worldwide. Like, you can sign up on this website from anywhere you are in the world. The flag colors happens to be from different countries, not from a particular country, as you can see. So once you sign up, you get a mail in your mailbox. You need to log in first. So once you log in, you now verify your email. So as you can see, this is info. It is the first mail in my mailbox or in my Gmail. Please use a working Gmail to register. So I'll just click on confirm this email address, or you click on the link below, anyone you want. So as you can see, it says your email has been confirmed. Please click the link below to log into your account. So I'll just click on login. So yeah, this is my account, but there are some details you need to fill out. I'll show you guys now in a few minutes the details that you need to fill out. So after the confirmation of your email, you need to fill in some details. Those details include, the first thing here is your password. You fill it in and you confirm your password. The second is your gender. You fill it in female, then your date of birth, your month of birth, your day of birth, and your year of birth. Then you have your first name. You fill in your first name. Then you have your surname. You fill in your surname. Then you have your address. You have address 1 and address 2. Anyone you want, you fill it in. Maybe basically address 1. Then you have the city and your state. If you're in Lagos, you choose Lagos as city and state. And then you have your zip code. You can choose any zip code that you want. You can browse on Google for your zip code. Then you have your country. As you can see, mine has automatically showed Nigeria because I am in Nigeria. If you are in Kenya, it will show either Kenya, or you have to change it to, after your country, all you need to do is to complete your sign up. Now you can choose any country. If it's not there, you input it, then you complete your sign up. After completing your sign up, it will bring you to the dashboard page, where you will see a lot of things like offers, like surveys that you can do to earn points, where you will see where it says that you can watch your video. You can click on that menu bar if you want. You see where it says watch, but then again, you can just scroll down, and as you can see, they have a lot of offers are games that you can download. This place here, you see it says survey watch offers. You click on anyone that you want to do, anyone that you want to partake in. You understand? If you stay with me, I told you, I said there is a secret I want to share. I'll be sharing it at the end of this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Also, do what? Also like this video, so that people like you and I that are looking for how to make money online will be able to see this video and work with. So you can watch as many videos as you want, but majorly, let's click on the video itself. Let's click on watch. So majorly, these are the available videos. Now the secret to making more or getting more videos is for you to download a working VPN that has a good trust pilot. If you download that VPN, install it on your phone and keep it on. Now if you keep it on, you log into this website, you change your location to countries like Canada, Canada, US, UK, United States, United Kingdom, and then you realize that they have a lot more videos for you to watch. The only thing is, we in Africa, we have some limitations, but there's always a way to go around those limitations. As you can see right now, Lutably has 3 videos that I can watch, while Hideout has 3 videos that I can watch. So depending on what you want, can get started with this 1 minute video here as well. It will pay you. Now if you come to offers as well, these are offers. There are a lot of offer words here that you can do depending on how good you are. As you can see, these are games. This particular one is paying, this Snap Jump is paying you $1.59, to install their game and play it to maybe second level or first level, anything. These are good offers that you can use to make money right here from anywhere you are, from the comfort of your home. You understand? This particular one, it says ends by downloading. There's a lot of things you can do on this website. So guys, do well to come to this website, sign up on this website and start making money. Like I said, it's just a simple website, but the money won't be that much, but it's worth it. It's worth your time because it's what you'll be able to do and have fun with it. So if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed to our channel, Ichok, please do what, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.